people, welcome back to this channel of champions. Thank you so much for joining. If you've not yet joined the champions, please do subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever something new comes up. So this is a continuation of the old video, just full of fun and to show you what keeps us moving as we are harvesting our gardens. It's only fun and togetherness that keep us or bind us.
Omulimu guno ogusaaza otya?
Obukalubirivu bw'amaanyi engeri y'essubi lino oluuyi olw'essubi obulezi tuzira bulungi bumala
Butya?
ofuuwera essubi lino
Iyi ngo ofuuyira nga n'omucere mweguli?
gusigala mulamu nga muto bwe guti.
Kati eddagala eyo terita mucere? He's holding is the one they say they always need for killing the weed so that they can have a good yield of rice. What is it called? Wajitani? Church. Two-fold. So that's what is used to kill out the weed so that you can get a very good yield of rice. How does alcohol bring energy, you guys? So guys, these guys, as hot as it is, they take alcohol to get strength. How does that help you? Buyamba buti?
Buyamba okunzaamu amaanyi nga nsala omuceere.
Mane manyi bugamalamu bumazi.
Bwongeramu amaanyi.
So how many bottles of that do you take on a day? Olunaku onywa bumeka?
6.
Yes. Because they said, oh, so international people were going to watch us. They're like, okay, let's do this. They're so excited. But the speed. But guys, the time I started weeding, just like 5 minutes ago, I started from the other side. That side. That's there. Then you see what we've harvested up to this place. Wow. Yeah, I can't take what those guys take. They are taking literally alcohol that they say it keeps them alive. Oh, they have finished their space, have you seen? But me, I'm just going to be hydrating on water. If I took that alcohol, you've seen how I've been struggling to work through the mud. I'll just fall inside there. I'm already hungry. 5 minutes of work and I'm already hungry. So this one is the owner of the garden. Is the boss. Big boss. Yeah. So we've come to help him harvest on his side. When it's our turn, his team will also come and harvest on our side. Okay? So that is how we do teamwork. We share responsibilities. That is how we are able as families to work on big pieces of land and with cheap labor. Moderately cheap labor. That's what we do. You help the neighbor helps you. One good turn deserves another. So simple. Ati, walima space in Kanaji? 2 acres of land is what he planted. So gona gwa kuziba gena gwa besinga kati. Osubira kujjamu sauna. Are you for real? That is expecting 40 bags of rice. This one is going to be the richest man in the village. Guys, what I was telling him, most of these guys, when they get such a good harvest, what they do is, when they get a big harvest, what they do is marry a second wife. Mlimi wa mwaka, yes.
You be careful, my dear.
Yeah. Then guys, the next time you see my skin, like, my skin has rash. I've been in the garden. There's no slaying in this garden. No skin routine will save you from this rice. Abina. Akambe kaulira. Abina. Oh guys, some hope has come. Someone is bringing for us something to eat. Guys, see this portion we've just cut down. Guys, I've said jackfruit, no more work, you don't need it. See the joy of eating. It is heavy. Time for commercial break now. Some of you Trackers, every time I see jackfruit I remember Trackers. He told me he has never tasted jackfruit. See, we are having a break as we are harvesting our rice. We are eating jackfruit. See, guys, the wind has just blown now, but there is a superstition in the village where they say that such wind passing, it is a ghost passing. So when it passes, they ask, who is that? But me in my head, I'm like, it is wind, but he insists that it is a ghost that has just passed. But this thing is small. Start beating off the rice, okay? Pana ingaje kuvaa. Ati kuna kwa depo. Unaona?
Anamgega.
So here a musician can get a rhythm for a song. Oh. Guys, you see the rice? This is the rice. The next step will be drying it, but it's already coming off. So we are doing well. Cheerleader, cheerleader. So after cleaning off those, the process continues and continues and continues until it's all beaten off. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I've been working with my ninjas here. Please support us. We are going to be farming more and more. See you right in the next video.